how to use online academic Judaic studies resources. In this video, we'll look at the Jewish Virtual Library. The Jewish Virtual Library has a lot of reliable overviews of Jewish history, holidays, culture, and important figures. Jewish Virtual Library is a very useful resource for searching to get reliable information about various aspects of Judaism. To begin, go to the search icon and click, which will open up a search bar. Enter the topic that you're interested in learning about. Let's say that we wanted to find out more information about the Jewish holiday of Passover. The results will appear below. Selecting the relevant result will open a new page with information about that topic. At the top, you'll find a brief definition or overview of the topic, followed by a table of contents of the different subcategories within that entry. Some words within the entry appear in blue. This means that they're hyperlinked. So if you click on them, it'll open up a page with more information about that particular term. Alternatively, some words appear with blue dots under them. When you move the cursor over that word, a brief definition or description of the term will pop up, so you don't even need to click on it. Scrolling down on the page, you'll notice along the left side that there are relevant other terms or subtopics related to the main entry that you're looking at. So for example, preparations, traditional songs, and the Seder. Selecting one of these will open a new page. At the bottom of most pages, you'll find specific details about the sources that were used to create these entries, so you know where the information is coming from.